Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your Redmi. Make sure it has at least 20% charge and that you know the MIUI version. This matters because fixes vary by release. Once done, enable developer options in settings and turn on USB debugging. This gives you diagnostic access. Make sure battery saver and any third-party firewall or VPN apps are disabled, since they can block hotspot services. Now restart the phone once to clear transient network locks. Then proceed to hotspot configuration. Next, adjust the hotspot profile. Set a simple SSID and secure it with WPA2 PSK, and prefer the 2.4 GHz band for broad compatibility. Then clear app data for settings and system hotspot-related apps to remove corrupted caches. This often restores normal behavior. Also inspect tethering limits and MAC filtering in portable hotspot options to ensure no device blocks exist. If you changed APN or carrier settings earlier, finalize by updating MIUI and any carrier firmware. Updates frequently fix hotspot bugs. After updating, test the hotspot with a different client device and try USB tethering to determine whether the issue is host or client side. If problems persist, back up personal data and perform a factory reset. This clears deep configuration corruption. If the hotspot still fails, one key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode and test hotspot. If it works in safe mode, a third-party app is causing the error, so remove recent installs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.